So I'm thinking that Fernco might be our issue. It's this. I don't know, that sounds full. Let's get outside and go see what's up with this thing. Oh, it's a beer chute. Oh, it's definitely fun. House trap right there. Perfect. Oh yeah. Nice and full. Going to the street. All right. Let's slide. I'm gonna end up with a splinter in my ass. Oh, right into the shit. Slid right here. Well, good sign, manhole's empty. Bad sign is it's probably blocked in that fucking 6-inch main with muck. So, it's gonna be a nightmare. We didn't come through it yet. Let me come out a little bit further, we'll see if we can start hearing the sound of the cable. You can hear the cable from here, so we're in the main. Oh no, I can't. No, I can't. It doesn't look like there's really any sewage that came fucking running through there, does there? Alright. Got a lot of manhole looking rings. Probably a main right here. Let me go pop that other one. Oh yeah, I can hear it. Yeah. Maybe we'll get that muck moving. Here. This is the main. Jet would have made quick work of this job. Get it with the cable before I pull out the jet. Starting to get some flow. See it picking up. Getting a nice muck job coming right through here pretty soon. Looks like it's starting to move. Pick up. Come on, baby, push. Come on, baby. Open up. So I know what he calls to go do. There we go. We're starting to get some more flow. Come on. I have to persuade this a little bit more. Alright, I'm gonna go work that. You guys stay right here. There we go. Starting to push it, move down. I'm gonna say she opened up right there. Best thing I ever got for myself. Machine with the retriever for years. Son of a bitch back by hand. It's got a little bit more to go. We're just gonna let her go. I don't got it tightened up too much on the tension. So why'd the basement get like this? He put some white shit down. I don't know, lime, absorbent, some crap he said. But there's a 1.5 or 1.25 inch line right here that doesn't have a plug, but they threw electrical tape around it. It's 1.5 inch. So I'm gonna put a cap on it. So at least that way, if it happens again, the next lowest point should be the outside clean out for this to start backing up and not flood the inside of the basement again. As long as that vent holds up, I guess. We'll throw this clean out in. Put this plug in here. Got that in there now. And so with this situation, they're on a dead-end corner. There's one house that ties into the rear of this one, and then there's another manhole that dead ends up there. So this is pretty much a private sewer main, and then it goes off into the woods before it joins into another sewer line. So if I would have left it like that, they would have been calling back saying that their shit's all blocked up, and I would have been dealing with this anyways. Luckily there was these manholes to find out what was going on with this place, because this line dropped out. It's not like I can run much water here. I got a 3-bay sink running. Not even a 3-bay sink, a single-bay sink, and another sink next to it. All right, well, we're gonna clean up and get out of here. Put the manhole cover back on. There's that other manhole cover that was right over there. And I went and checked out with the other guy. It just dead ends. So that's that.